Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting one clear goal and the right file. Sign into Google Gemini and enable image tools. Once enabled, upload your photo via drag-drop or the upload button. Make sure the image format is supported, JPG, PNG, or hike, and check resolution so edits remain sharp. Explain your editing intent to Gemini in one sentence: portrait retouch, color grade, or background change. Doing that narrows the model's suggestions and speeds up the workflow, so you get useful edits immediately. Once your photo is loaded, give Gemini a precise, actionable prompt describing the how and why. For example, increase exposure by 0.5, warm tones -10%, soften skin subtly for portraits. Then switch to the Tools panel. Use the brush to mask areas, adjust opacity for subtlety, and apply selective color changes where needed. Make sure to lock layers you want preserved and preview both 1:1 and 16:9 to confirm composition. These steps combine AI suggestions with manual control for predictable results. To finish, export with the correct quality. Pick 80% for web or 100% for print, and always save an original copy. Once done, create and save a preset if you want repeatable results and name versions clearly, V1, V2, final, so you can track changes. If the image looks unnatural, revert to history, simplify your prompt, and reduce edit strength. Often less aggressive adjustments produce a more natural result. One troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, toggle color profile or reapply white balance gently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.